So this is HP Envoy 5010 printer, which is all-in-one printer for copy, print and scan. So I'm going to unbox and set up. So let's do unboxing first. Just keep an eye on the display screen. So you will see this screen. So printer is starting for first time. Now we have to select the language. So it's a touch screen printer, and just confirm the language once you choose it. Now you will see there is a screen, it says setup with the app. That means you have to use your mobile phone, tablet, computer to set up. Or if you want, you can do manual setup. For that, just see this info button at the bottom left, click on that. Here we'll see the option is manual setup, click on that. Now it says install the ink cartridges. So now we are going to install that. So open the cartridges. So that's 65, that is a color cartridge. And that is 65 black cartridge. So we remove the tape on both of them. Now open the printer chamber where we have to insert. So it's on the side, we can see it opens and it will stay like that. And we can see there are two places, one for black and one for color. So we install those. So place it normally inside and close it with this lock, both for the black and color. So just install it. So it's ready. Now we close the chamber. So once we close the chamber, you can see on the screen it's checking for the ink cartridges, and so once it is ready, just click OK. And now we have to place A4 size paper sheet in the paper tray. Now the paper tray is at the bottom, as we can see. So just insert the page and just close the tray. So once we load the paper, just press OK. Now you will see it says align the printer, that is the printer is ready to begin the alignment and to give you the best print quality. So just press OK and it's going to print alignment page. So just wait for that. So once the printer prints the alignment page, now we have to open the top scanner and we have to place this page on that, facing downwards on the right hand corner, and just close the lid. Once you place the paper on the scanner, just click on the scan. So it's scanning the alignment page now. So once the alignment is finished, we again go to the screen. Now press OK. Now it will say install the HP software to print from your mobile device or computer, and that's a website given there, so you can install from that. And you can scroll down and see all the options, and now click on more info and advanced setup. So here you can see select the connection method, that is wireless, and you can use that. If you want to do it later, just click on the connect later. Now printer update options are there, you can install it now, or if you want you can alert. So whatever the option you want you can do. So do not check, and now click continue. and now you have to tell if the printer is for the use at the home or business. So just click accordingly, and it's a personal use, and once we do, we confirm the settings and press OK. Now it will give you thanks for choosing HP, and then you will see this screen. So this screen comes up in the end, and that means your printer is set up now. So I'll show you how to do copy. So I have a test page 1. So let's do a quick copy. So click on the copy, and I just need one that is black. So start black. So you can see it has copied one page, and your printer is set up now, and it's quite fast in printing. And this printer is really good for the students. Best thing about the printer is it's easy to connect with the Wi-Fi with your number of devices, and the paper tray is actually at the bottom, which completely goes in, so there is no mess of the paper around, and you can simply use it. Thanks for watching.